Can you relate? I am feeling unhappy and dissatisfied. I am feeling unappreciated. I am feeling that there is a lack of commitment. I am feeling bored. If you are experiencing any of this, let me tell you, all your feelings are valid. Escaping the relationship or ignoring your emotions is not the right fix to these issues. I encourage you to openly talk about how you feel with your partner. Do not be afraid to speak up. The right person will give you the permission to speak your mind, whether it is a small or big problem. He or she will find a way that would work to meet you in the middle. You deserve to be heard and validated by someone who is caring and understanding. You matter. You are special.